Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Windows update error 0x80070422. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tricknology. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu and type over there services.msc and now press enter from your keyboard. Also, you can go through your run box just pressing Windows and R button together from your keyboard, and you will get this run dialog box. So you have to put over there services.msc. Now press enter or click on OK and you will get the same window. So now what you have to do, you need to find over there Windows event collector, this one. So by default it is showing like manual, so you have to go to properties, just right click over there and go to properties and make it automatic and click on apply, then OK. Once again you have to right click on Windows event collector and click on start. Once it is done, now go to Windows event lock. Same way you have to right click on Windows event lock, go to properties and make sure that it is automatic, and after that click on apply, then OK. And after that you have to restart, just right click on Windows event lock and click on restart. So once it is done, now go to Windows update, last one, and go to properties, and after that select here automatic startup type, and after that click on apply, then OK. Once again you have to right click on Windows update and click on start. Once you have done all these things, you just need to go to your settings. Just go to start menu and click on this setting button over there, and after that you will get this Windows setting window. So now what you have to do, you need to click on this update and security. Now try to update your computer. As you can see, mine is showing you are up to date. So if any update is available over there, you can download and install from here. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.